DJNTV family, what is going on? Welcome back. Troy Adams here with you for our third video in our series of high volume clients, low maintenance mindset. If you're just joining, what we're talking about is, hey, as DJs, we manage a lot of clients, right? Certainly multi-ops, but single ops as well. 50 plus people a year, right? At least. That's a lot of information. That's a lot of requests. That's a lot of potential headaches, right? So how do we manage all that information, all those people and those personality styles and requests and experiences, and do so in a way with less maintenance, right? Low maintenance mindset. Service better, see better results, but do so more more efficiently. It's possible, I promise. So we're talking about 4 areas to do that, and we've already talked about areas 1 and areas 2. And we're going to give you a quick recap before we run into the third area today. So, high volume clients, low maintenance mindset. Let's dive in. You've seen this picture twice before if you've seen my 2 previous videos, right? How often do we feel like that? Let's change that. Let's look back and ask yourself, when did it become too much to manage? I'll tell you about when it became too much to manage for me in video 1, and I'll tell you more about me in video 1. But the quick snapshot is, hey, I've been doing this a long time. I own Carolina DJ Professionals in Charlotte, North Carolina. We have offices in Asheville, North Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina as well. I've got a team of 30. Did my first wedding at age 20, first event at 16. I'm 45 now. I educate the industry for Wedding Pro, for NACE, and at every conference in the industry. A lot of them, not every, but a lot of them. And I'm the founder of Make Your Business Dance, which is my teaching and coaching platform. Now, what do I manage? What's my volume of clients? Well, 2,500 leads a year is what we bring in. From that, we do 1,000 events. Those 1,000 events come from about 500 clients, and as I mentioned, I've got a team of 30. So that's what I manage. What I manage. Woo! Slow down, Troy. Here's our 4 areas that we're focusing on to better serve our people, better manage our high volume of clients, and do so in a more efficient, more low maintenance mindset fashion, right? Let's improve our clientele. Let's improve our efficiency, our service and results, and we're going to do it through identifying the right clients. That's the first video we talked about. Then we talked about funnels, using different funneling systems to manage our prospects, our clients, our colleagues, our information. And today we're going to talk about automation. We all know the importance of automation, but how do we do it right? How do we have, the reason I have Will Smith there is, how do we stand out and be great at it? And then our next video will be about empowering others, delegating others, building that crew of people around us to help us better manage. So let's dive in to area 3, automation done right. Now this first area, first bullet point, to me is a general practice to improve. Well, when do you go ahead and automate something? For me, I never write an email 3 times. Once I've written it twice, it becomes a template that I'm going to automate. And I may automate it where it's truly automated, or it might just be a saved template that I just change a couple things. But I encourage you, never write an email 3 times. Now, there are ways we can make it more personal, and we're going to talk about that. So, to do just that, use your language and have a call to action. Too many automated emails sound exactly like that. Automated emails. They sound robotic. So what I would encourage you to do when you write your automated emails, when you write your templates, is have other people review them. Because there are other different personalities out there, right? Which is a whole other path we can go down. But have other people on your team or in your circle read those and see how they interpret them. What feedback did they give you? Or you can also take the approach that I do after every event we have. The colleagues that my team works with, all the fellow pros on that event, they get an automated email from me afterwards. And it says, "Hey, fellow pros, Troy here. This is an automated email, but I want to check in and see how things went. Will you let me know? And once you do, I'm certainly going to write back with an email from me. And so we have a good laugh at it. And so sometimes I actually leave that on intentionally for my own gigs. And the photographer will get a client, hey, this is Troy. You worked with my DJ Troy this week. And how was he? How did he do? We have a good laugh about it. But I get tremendous feedback from that. It starts the conversation. They really then do get a personalized email from me. So be genuine. Be yourself. I'm really being me in that. Use your language. Be genuine. Be sincere. And have a call to action of what you want to come from that, what the next step is. So many people don't have that. Well, I kind of gave away this. Automate task and owner emails. But let me take that a step further. So I told you one of my owner emails that's automated is that email that goes to all the colleagues that work with my team of DJs at an event. But our clients also get automated emails from me. Hey, just checking in to see how things are going. Is my DJ taking care of you? Short and sweet. You can't tell it's an automated email because I don't say a lot in it and it's written in my language and it's very conversational. So short and sweet, I believe, is best. Short and sweet with emphasis, with meaning, with sincerity. Now you can also automate task emails. This is hugely effective for me managing my team. My DJs all get automated emails from me of where they should be in the process with clients. Hey, you are 6 months out from this wedding. At this point, you should have done this. You're 3 months out from this wedding. At this point, you should have done this. If you haven't already, please do so now. So they get automated task emails from me that keep them on point, make all of our lives easier with better results, more efficient. And lastly, well, there's an example. Got ahead of myself. Here is an example of one of my automated emails to a client. Hello, blank. Hope this email finds you well. How is the wedding planning going? Checking in to see how we're doing so far and to make sure my team is taking great care of you. We want the planning process to be as stress-free and enjoyable as possible and for you to both feel guided and supported. Would you give me a holler back and let me know how it's going when you have a moment? Best, Troy. So it's not too long. I've had my team read that. It also contains a lot of language that is across our business, that is part of our brand, that they're going to see a lot of other places. Guided, for example, supported, stress-free. A lot of language we use in a lot of other places. So that's an example of one of my audit emails that go out to clients. And if you read our reviews, our clients talk about the owner checked in with me and so checked in with me. Now, when they write back, sometimes they get an email from me. Sometimes they get a template email that's been written by myself or my staff. But the point is, I'm not trying to be insincere. I'm not trying to be fake. I'm trying to have a conversation. I'm trying to make sure that things are going well, and I've opened the door to communication. It's there. Now, lastly, create video tutorials. I can't stress this enough. In our previous video, when I talked about funnels, I talked about a funnel on your client page, and I mentioned I have a video for my clients, all our clients for our company. When they go to that page, they have a video from me telling them what to expect. You can use video tutorials in so many places. I use it with my team in all our training videos and where they should be in continuing education. I use it with our clients, as I mentioned. I use it for our colleagues on events that we put on with them and things we do. Create video tutorials, create those quick video messages that are going to answer a lot of questions or potential questions that people could have on the front end. They're going to see your personality. I can't stress enough. We're in a video world, right? So make use of video tutorials. There you have it with automation done right and 4 simple things I think you can do to help improve your automation. Next video, we're going to talk about now how do you empower others, not just delegate, but really get people to buy in to what you're doing and helping manage your workload more effectively and help you have that low maintenance mindset. DJNTV family, have a great one. I'll see you at the next video.